How many times have you used a screen today? We, on average, spend a third of our waking hours using screens. So what would happen if they all turned off? How would you catch the latest TikTok dance or Tim's breakfast? What about urgent news or critical medical advice? You certainly wouldn't be able to watch this video. With the screen off, you can't see my slide, but you can see what screens are made of. Thousands of tiny lights. The materials used to make these are often toxic, non-renewable, and difficult to recycle. This harms our environment and risks the supply of billions of screens worldwide. This is where we had a light bulb moment to create nanosheets of nanosponges for new sustainable lighting alternatives. Let's break this down. Nanosponges are 1,000,000 times smaller than your kitchen sponge. They're a hybrid of non-toxic metal and organic components connected together to create a framework. Now, since life is like a box of chocolates, let's think of these sponges as chocolate box packaging, a rigid structure with ordered cavities separating each chocolate truffle. Instead of chocolates, we trap different molecules, and these each emit various colours of light naturally, like a glow stick. But why trap these molecules? Well, when they exist separately, they clump together, which stops emission. By separating them out, we let their individual personalities shine. The framework also protects the molecules so they last longer and don't leach out into and pollute the environment. Alright, let's take stock. We have glowing truffles in a spongy chocolate box. Sounds like a Willy Wonka creation fit for the next internet sensation. But stop the press. Our screen is still off. To fit nanosponges into screens, we need to convert them into nanosheets. These are wide and long, but incredibly thin. So thin you can fit 100,000 of these in the thickness of a single sheet of paper. The process to make these is like tempering chocolate, taking a solid block of bland chocolate and reforming it into something thin, crispy, and delicious. Our nanosheets have larger surface area, so they're brighter and use less energy. So now we have form and function and a material that will work to treat. With these renewable materials, we can reduce pollution, energy, and for you, cost, lighting up the world with clean, green screens. Maybe then you can see my slide again.